really think you look like me? Hey, Thug, everybody talking about you look like me. Look, he do not look like me, bro. He do. Oh, you straight? You straight? Boy, you all right?
Yeah, you straight, bro? I just seen something.
You what happened to you?
I don't know. I seen something, bro. I dude or something.
You straight?
Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah.
Back, can you help me look for this seasoning?
Yeah. You think I'm hustling or something?
Hey. Jack!
Shadow, relax, Shadow. Shadow, relax. Shadow, no, stop.
Dude, they're literally above the head. Why do we need this much water for 3? Fuck! No, don't go fast! Fuck! Don't go fast! Jack, stop! 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 Stop!
Sim między pół, kartę tego podaję ciucha.
All my friends are toxic, ambitionless, so rude and always negative.
Good workout like that you can do at home with your family. So I'm gonna show you guys one of my favorite workouts to do. You ready, baby?
I'm ready.
All right.
No le estés tomando fotos a tu huevada, que nadie te está preguntando. Nadie te interesa si tú comes bien, comes mal.
Mira, está agarrando el agua para que se metan. Mira, mira.